I welcome you once again to this episode of your favorite business show, the Vanguard Business Life. And I want to talk directly to our the micro, small, and medium enterprises family concerning new opportunities that are coming their way. And the information is that more funding for that segment of our economy is underway with the Development Bank of Nigeria. And then we say that this weekend, just last weekend, the Development Bank, DBN, signed a funding agreement with the KfW Development Bank of Germany to provide an on-lending facility amounting to about 25 million euros. These are some of the series of such funding that have been streaming in, especially through the Development Bank of Nigeria for the past 4 or 5 years. And then a whole lot has happened. I don't know if you are an MSME operator, how much how much information you have on Development Bank of Nigeria. For now, I can just tell you, through their facility, you have the cheapest funding for your business anywhere around today. So it's important for you to navigate your way if you have a good business case for funding, to have an opportunity to get a cheaper funding for your business. Now, the amount I said 25 million euros. Of course, it's going to be disbursed in naira, at the equivalent of about 22 billion naira. That's not money, and you can imagine how many thousands of MSME category businesses that will be covered. I think you should be one of them. You don't have to go looking for where the Development Bank of Nigeria is situated, where the office. If you know, of course, you can go. But it's not a typical commercial bank you see on every street. But then they function through other financial institutions. Most likely you have account with those financial institutions. The banks you bank with, and a whole lot of microfinance banks, you can walk in there and ask for Development Bank of Nigeria facilities and begin to talk, negotiate, discuss with them on the terms. And then if you, like I said, have a good business case, you'll be opportune to have a cheaper funding for your business. The KfW, Development Bank of Germany, has been with the Development Bank of Nigeria for some time now. A key stakeholder, meaning that this new deal is confirming the confidence, the results that's been achieved so far in the past few years. They have been providing such funding, meaning that the Development Bank of Nigeria is actually effective in making the funds work for the benefit of both the bank and the beneficiaries, the loan beneficiaries. And I think more of such facilities around there. We're just talking about the deal they signed last weekend. The Group Managing Director, Chief Executive of Development Bank of Nigeria, Tony Banerjee, who confirmed the development, also said anyway that I made specific mention that renewable energy businesses will also be of major targets in this new funding window. And you know what we mean by renewable energy, or energy sources other than the fossil fuel we are used to. Some of us are already in that line of business. This is an opportunity for you. And Mr. Banerjee also said this is the best time for MSMEs in Nigeria, knowing fully well that the bedrock of the economic development of the country are paying serious attention and giving them not just money, but also some kind of knowledge, skills that will enable them, deliver in terms of turning around the loans and making their businesses better. As we come your way again, stay connected to all Vanguard platforms for information you need in your business. Have a good day.